Welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you through fixing Frost bank payment errors, step by step to ensure smooth transactions every time. Welcome to our channel today. We are diving into how you can fix payment errors with Frost Bank easily and quickly to start troubleshoot. By verifying your payment details, ensure the account number, card information, and routing number are all correctly entered. Small mistakes here cause common errors. Next, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for successful online payments. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to eliminate connectivity issues. Another important step is to check for any alerts or messages in your Frost Bank app or on their website. Sometimes the bank may impose temporary holds or maintenance, which can affect payments. Clear your app cache or update the app itself, as outdated software versions might be incompatible, causing errors. Moving ahead, try logging out, then logging back, and this refreshes your session and can resolve glitches. After that, confirm that your linked account has sufficient funds for the intended payment. Insufficient balance often triggers an error message. If you still face issues, contact Frost Bank customer support. Directly use their live chat phone service or email with details of your problem, including any error codes received. They can provide specific assistance and escalate your issue. If needed for additional steps, try making the payment on a different device or browser. Sometimes device-specific issues interfere with transactions. If you continually encounter problems, reset your payment preferences in the bank app, ensuring all details are correctly saved in your profile. Lastly, keep your software and devices updated regularly to avoid compatibility problems and security risks. By systematically following these steps, you'll be able to resolve most Frost Bank payment errors efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful guides and updates.